Welcome to AutonomIQ Sauce Labs low-code automated web testing studio. In this video, we'll show you how to create a manual test. This functionality allows a user to manually create each step of the automation test case script. Note that we are inside a project. Let's click on this button to add a test case. There are three ways to create a test case. We can record a test case, upload a test case, or manually create a test case. Let's choose the third option to manually create a test case. Now that we have clicked on that option, we see the first step is Open Website, which loads the URL we provided in the Projects tab. This default test step can be edited by clicking on the Update icon. Instead, let's proceed by adding a test case. To do this, click the plus sign. Before we manually add our test steps, let's take a look at the website we'll be using for our test case. See, there is a field labeled Elements that we can click. Another one is labeled Text Box. There are things to be verified like data associated with the field labeled Email, or the one labeled Full Name, and so forth. Now, back on AutonomIQ Step Editor, let's build a simple scenario with some of those fields and play back the test case. For actions, we type click on, and the step editor starts to suggest some options. We'll use the labels element, which we saw on the website's UI. Notice I used double quotes around the word elements. Also notice we did not capitalize the E in elements, as the step recorder is not case sensitive. So adding the small e will not affect how the test is ran. For the next step, we'll tell the step recorder to click on the field labeled text box. Next, we'll type verify email on the screen. We'll type enter full name, again with double quotes. And for the data field, let's associate tester. Notice we entered it without any quotes. Now, we'll exit the line editor by clicking Done. And then click this checkmark icon to save this test case. And now we can go ahead and generate this test case by clicking the Generate icon. And then we click on the Generate button. Now each step of the test case we manually entered is executed. To learn more about manually creating a test case or other tips, visit our AutonomIQ Sauce Labs YouTube page or reach out to us via our website.